So, look at the diagram sana. Tani dissect dulu what is given. S to S nya first is look at the shape. So, what shape? Even though the shape sana kena lihat apa usulnya, but make sure jua arah diagram that is the right shape. Okay? So, here is two triangles. Remember the first starter yang teacher bagi, how many shapes do you see? So, by right this one, you should see two shapes. One big rectangle and one smaller rectangle. Okay? But not only that, in this question, ia bagi jua the length AB is 3 times its height, which is labeled as X. The width of the frame is 2 cm. We refer back to dalam soalan, nya the length AB is 3 times its height. So, X nya kena bagi sana. So, the height of the picture. So, the picture is the shaded part. Tu mesti clear. Dalam soalan sudah bagi. Okay? Dalam soalan sudah bagi. So, the picture is X. And then, so which means the length tu sekarang we need to label it. Alia, stop saja. Because we're already discussing. There's no use for you to do that one. Okay? Alright? And then, also, if you take note that there are measurements yang kena bagi dalam diagram, tapi nada kena bagi dalam soalan. Okay? So, you have to take note on that one. So taking the one this one ada kena bagi dalam diagram. Ada ke tak? Nada kan? Okey, X-nya kena bagi. X-nya kena bagi. Okey, tapi 3 times its height tadi nada kena bagi. So kalau tahu length ni mana teacher, selalu kena bagi. Length tu followed by where it is. AB. Sudah specific sana. So you shouldn't confuse, you shouldn't get confused. So AB is that line. Okay, is that side. And we know it's a rectangle, that means opposite side are to equal lah. So that means if the height is X, what is the length of AB? 3X. Yeah. That's it. Just like that. So ani baru information from the question belum kita ni jawab. So whatever information in the question, if it is not present in the diagram, buat. Simpan di sana. Tapi sebab tu pentingnya amalan membaca tu satu amalan yang mulia. Kamu membaca setiap soalan tu dapat kamu pahala. Kamu skip kurang. Okay? So that one sudah. 2 cm tu sudah. We identify is rectangle tu. Semua information ada diagram. Okay, done. Okay. Then, baru we move on to the question. Okay. So, the question says, total area of the picture and the frame. Total area of picture and the frame. What calculation is in your head? Apa yang di plus should be picture and frame. Picture and frame. Picture is the shaded. Frame-nya di mana? Macam pathway tu kan tu. Bukan semua. Okay. Frame yang di luar, picture-nya di dalam is 476 cm square. That means, if I were to ask you to shade, where is the measurement for 476? Where would you shade? Semua. Padai. So semua ni. This one, picture and the frame is 476. Okay? So let me just erase that one so I don't know to get confused. Okay? So that's the fikiran. Sekalinya form an equation in X show that, oh my god teacher, apa kena mengena equation dengan suddenly perimeter? 1 minute we're talking about perimeter, 1 minute we're talking about area, we're talking about X, we're talking about 3X, we're talking about picture, we're talking about frame. Suddenly, keluar soalan form an equation. Dari mana datangnya tu? So artinya di connect. Jangan angkat tangan. Excuse me. Question is wrong. Jangan kamu. Okay. Now, pasal apa clue-nya? X. Ada ke tidak X dalam diagram? Ada. That means memang related. Memang it's related. So which word do we have a calculation that would somehow makes that equation? Which word can we use yang ada calculation? Ada dua word sini yang ada calculation. Apa? 3 times? Not quite. Yes, but we already make it 3x sudah. Which two words yang ada calculation? Total. The other one is what? Area. Suddenly area buka file apa? Buka folder apa? Buka folder area. Buka folder area apa dalamnya? Satu buting? Banyak kan? So which file yang diklik? Rectangle yang diklik. Okay, so area of rectangle. So we proceed lah. Area of rectangle. So so what? This is total area of picture and frame. Artinya the whole thing lah, ni. The whole thing. Okay, so area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Big lah. Just to differentiate, area of big rectangle, which is the whole thing. Which is the frame. Which is the picture plus frame. Okay, length area of rectangle is length time breadth. Big ke small ke masih sama formulanya. Okay, so length time breadth. What is the length? X 2x is just the 2x, mana dapat 2x? What is the length? Alia, what's the length? The longest side. 32. Wow, amazing. Mana kau dapat nombor 32? Macam mana dapat calculate 32? Belum calculate. You shouldn't give me a value. Anybody can tell me where is the length? Amer, what do you think the length is? 3x plus 4. Y plus 4. Y plus 4, Mer. Each side. 2 cm each side. 2 plus 2. Mesti je teacher cakap 2 plus 2 berapa. Allah. So that means this one is 3. Oops. Sorry. This one is 3x already tadi. Okay. That means dengan sini sampai sini is 3x. Artinya this one berapa? 2. This one berapa? 2. Artinya the length would be 3x plus 4. Okay? Times. Okay, using the same concept. Adam, what would be the breadth? Papermu ada peluang juga tu. 4. 4. Mana dapat 4? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. 4. 2 plus 2 equals to the whole thing. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Lurus. Handal. Kalau teacher 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Kalau nya 2 plus 2 equals to 4, magic. Faham magic? Yang ni apa measurementnya? So There you go. Okay? So, look at the way I write my terms. Teacher buat dalam bracket. So, not to confuse which one the length, which one the breadth. And then, kalau sudah berbracket satu, jangan lagi simpan the time satu. So, what we get is the expression. And the area of the big rectangle, which is picture and frame, do we know the value of? Yes. Berapa Khaira? 476. Ani belum lagi kira-kira. Tadi baru dari diagram. We just taken from the diagram baru. Okay, so that's we get. Okay. Have we... Kacau itu tu. Okay. Did we form an equation in X? Did we form an equation in X? Yes. You have the variable there. You have the equal sign there. So this is already an equation in X. Sudah. Berapa markah? 4 markah. That one sudah 1 markah. Okay. And then solve lah. Salah. And then simplify. How are we going to simplify this one? Sekejap dulu. Do you understand that part? Getting this equation. Do you understand that part? Am I doing any calculation that you were not aware of? No. Area of rectangle, length and breadth. Pernah? Pernah. Finding the length, pernah? Finding the breadth, pernah? Okay. So semua ni pernah. Cuma apply in a new context sahaja. Nothing new here. The only new is here how you are applying your knowledge into new questions. So Ato, what can we do here? Anybody get to this stage? Khaira, yang lain? No stage. Which stage are you? Did you get 3x? Yes. Okay, ada yang belum So, you need to get that 3x. If you do not get 3x, you wouldn't be able to get that. Okay? Okay. So, give me a thumbs up dulu. If you are at the 3x stage. Thumbs up if you have 3x. Okay. So, yang thumbs up, yang 3x, did you get 3x plus 4? Okay. So, that's the one. That's the one that where you should start with. Artinya, you have used this fact. So that's fine. Now, you just need to figure out how to use the other fact, which is the total area of the picture and the frame to make it into an expression. Okay? So, boleh analyze that part. Right. What can we do here? Expand. So, you expand. Expand expand je, let teacher. Lanjut. Siapa dulu? Siapa dulu? Siapa dulu? Siapa dulu? Siapa dulu? Siapa dulu? Jangan subak-subak. Jangan subak-subak. You would know that you get the right answer if you kamu simplify sudah. It is exactly as the same as the expression yang kena bagi. 3x square plus 16x minus 460 equal to 0. Okay, so let's see. Anybody goes to this stage already? 3x squared plus 12x plus 4x plus 16 equals to 476. Are you at that stage? Did you do that stage? Thumbs up? Belum. Okay. Artinya you do your box method lah ha. Sama je masih. 3x plus 4, x plus 4. So 3x square plus 12x plus 4x plus 16. Anybody did the box method stage? Thumbs up? Up, okay. Okay, now you know where you go wrong. Box method pun kamu dah buat. Kamu buat error? Fine. You do error, fine. Even if you do error, you should get that. You should get this expression sudah. So where is it? Yang belum thumbs up. Box pun belum. This stage pun belum. Where are you? Aika, where are you? What have you written so far? 3x plus 2. Huh? Tadi ada 3x plus 2. Okey, kenapa 3x plus 4? Kau belum expand kah? Ayah, time is the essence. Leila, at which stage are you? So you haven't got, so which term that you got? You got 3x square. Lagi 12x. Itu ada. Baru 3x square. Kenapa tengah-tengahnya dah ada? Did you do the box method? Okay, do the box method, then you don't have to think. Now, the beauty of doing the box method, you don't have to think. Kalau kamu buat aneh, kamu confuse mana satu yang dibuat sudah, mana satu yang belum. Tapi kalau box method, kamu tahu sudah each peta itu apa yang dikali. Tahu sudah. So there shouldn't be any confusion. The only mistakes that you might have made either using box method or the arrow is when you multiply negative. And we have done this one, kan? We have done this intervention already. So you need to be careful. So now the problem would be not you simplifying, but the problem now is your expansion. Your expansion. You're taking too long to figure out apa kan dikali. So just use the box method to help you simplify that thought. Again, dalam exam, more often than not, time is always your enemy. So make sure whatever shortcuts that you think that will help you to do things easier, should do it. Okay, next we'll just proceed. Then solve the equation 3x squared plus 16x minus 460 equal to 0. Now what method should we use to solve this one? Can we use the balancing method? Yes or no? Thumbs up or not? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Use the balancing method. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Laju dan teacher boleh bagi tahu, luruskin dah fikiran kamu. Okey, Wafiq, kenapa dah boleh? There's more than one? 1x. Term x tu, 1x square, 1x. Because of the x square tu, guarantee dah dapat balancing. Dah dapat solve pakai balancing. Pasal x square tu jangan di-balance. Tahu sudah ada equation x square and ia ada 3 terms. Kalau ada square tapi 2 terms boleh. Tapi ada 3 terms. 1, 2, 3. 3x square, 16x, negative 460. So there's only 2 ways to solve this one. One is by factorization and the other one by formula. Okay, which one do you think is easier? Factors or formula? Pasal kenapa pakai formula? Pasal nombornya besar 460. Cari factors pun kamu kepayahan. Okay, cari factors of quadratic kamu. Cari factors of number pun kamu kamu kepayahan? Apa tu lagi factors of an expression? So please do yes. Next question is, what is the formula? Syarif, formula X equals to Syakirin, what is A? Good. What is B? Very good. And what is C? Negative. Yes. Okay. A is the coefficient of x squared. B is the coefficient of x. And C has no coefficient. C has no variable. Okay. Masukkan. Masukkan dah. Laju. X equals to minus B plus minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. Now, soalan ni, kalau kamu dah dapat buat part A, dah papa, boleh skip terus part B. Pasal equationnya sudah kena bagi. So, if you don't know how to create the expression, never mind. You can skip that one. Jangan skip the whole thing. There are some questions that you can do. And this is one of the examples that you can do. X equals to minus B plus minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. Masukkan A is equals to 3, B is equal to 16, C is equal to negative 460. Masukkan and then calculate. Laju. And you should get X equals to 10. Okay, Mizan. Thank you. And X equals to negative 15.3. Okay. It depends. 76. Square of 577. Because kau takkan square root of 76 and then divided by 6 terus kan? When that happens, kalau according to order of operation, you will do the divide dulu baru the plus didapat. So yours would be, what you buat would be that, which is totally different. Do you see the difference? If you kamu taruh minus 16 plus plus 76 divided by 6, that means it's this one. It will calculate that one baru campur sini. Tapi sebenarnya ni dulu dibuat. Answernya baru divided by 6. Okay? So, if you calculate it correctly, you should get that one. Okay, tekan. Sudah. Okay, teacher ni bagi sana. You substitute, belajar. Revise balik. How do you substitute the numbers in? How do you use your calculator? My daughter is in the face. Dia cakap, bottle of water. Cakap, bottle of water. So I said to her, like, calculator. Like, what, Mama? Why? Okay, we have 5 minutes. Anybody is having problem calculating? Salah. Yes. Substituting and calculating to get x equal to 10 and x equals to minus 15 1/3 or minus 15.3. Teacher, yang mana satu teacher? Minus 15.3 kan minus 15 1/3? Dua-dua pun diterima. Don't make a big deal out of it. Because if you're minus 15.3333333, kamu change to fraction, it will get minus 15 1/3. Give me thumbs up or thumbs down. Thumbs up, you're okay. Thumbs down, you're not. Okay. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Thumbs up means you're confident in using the formula for quadratic. Thumbs down, you don't. Okay, one of the things mesti hafal. Indah ada ni ya. Indah ada. Kalau MS ada front page. Dah bayar tu. Dapat lihat. Ni dah ada. Jangan angan-angan. Kamu sudah drop kan? Jangan angan-angan kan nak bagi lagi satu. Jangan angan-angan. Okay. And you put your answer here. That's 3. Practice saja balik-balik quadratic. Again. Quadratic kalau ada 3 terms and one of it is x square. That's it. Pakai factorization ataupun pakai formula. Now, kalau dilihat soalan ni memang bukan formula. Pasal nada correct, giving your answer correct to decimal place. Something macam tu. However, boleh dipakai juga. Saves time. Okay. Find the height and length of the frame. There. Kamu lihat tu perkataan frame-nya tu. Apa dibuatnya perkataan frame-nya tu? Tu lagi kamu nak nampak. Anda teacher tahu. Frame. That means it is smaller rectangle or bigger rectangle? Bigger. What is the length of the frame? 3x. Length is 3x plus 4. Height is, so kalau nya find artinya a value, where can you get your x? Soalan B. Okay, soalan B. Yang mana satu teacher? Ada 2 sana. Yang mana satu? Okay, logically your x is a measurement of what? Length, centimeter. Which one should you take as length? 10. Ni kenapa? Pasal ia negatif. Dah ada measurement negatif. This is where negative number does not work for measurement. Dia dapat dipakai. Artinya majal. Satulah. 3 times 10 plus 4 equals to 34. 10 plus 4 equals to 14. Nah. Markah tu. Doi. Okay, next one. 2 markah. Next one. 3 markah. Again, baca clue-nya. Frame is made of wood. Frame-nya di mana? Yang di luar tu. The wood is 5 mm thick. The mass of 1 cubic centimeter of wood is 0.7 gram. Okay, kalau lihat sini ada 3 unit of measurement kena bagi. 1 mm, 1 cm, 1 gram. This is where you need to be aware of your units. Calculate the mass of wood. Okay, so ani teacher Seth tadi juga Mani cakapnya kamu ada praktikal kerana marah lagi teacher. Baik kamu. Okay, so I try as best as I can to record this one, this particular solution. I put it in Teams. You can access that one. And then